Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today it's a little vlog of me cleaning my slime room because it is a hot mess, and I'm filming this in 2017. I don't know if it'll be up in 2018 or not, but so I just wanted to, have a fresh start for the new year and just, clean my room, have it look good. So then, because when everything looks clean, I feel like I can be way more productive and do more. I don't know if that's just me. Comment down below if you guys agree, if, cleaning helps you be more productive, because it definitely makes me more productive. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's get into the mess that is my room. So these shelves aren't that bad. These are just some old slimes that I have. And it's not horrible, but a lot of these, like up here, are all liquefied and it's just not so good. So I just want to organize these better, and then the ones that are liquefied, I don't know if I'll get to it today, but I want to take them all out of these containers, mix them up, and then figure out what I want to do with them. Because I don't sell slime anymore, so I'm not selling it obviously, so I have to figure out what I want to do with it. I also have down here as well, these are all slimes that I need to figure out what I'm going to do with them. They look really nice on display, but I really like my books as well, and I want to, be more inspired to read them. So to be more inspired to read them, I kind of have to be able to see them, which I can't really do right now. So I gotta decide what I want to do. Sorry for any background noise. People are shoveling their driveways outside. I have a lot of family, I think, that are around somewhere. I don't really know. My house is always crazy busy, so if there's any background noise, I apologize in advance. Alright, so for those of you who watch my slime room tour, you know what's over here and you know what's happening, and I will definitely link that either on the screen or down below if you want to watch it. If you want to see everything looks kind of semi-clean, but over here is a lot of liquefied slimes. A lot of these were from when I was making my book. This is my book. I will put it on the screen right here. When I was writing it, I had to make a ton of slime, and a lot of these are actually those slimes. So I need to figure out what I want to do with them. And actually that purple one right there, for those of you who are the OG followers, they'll remember that slime from... That's one of my very first slime videos up there, so I really want to try and revive that slime. Maybe I'll do a video about it. Let me know if you want me to down below. And this is pretty neat. I just feel like okay, this is messy. Yeah, I need to just organize this. It's just, oh, yep, see already, it's just kind of messy up here. Just showing you guys the before random containers that need to be organized. Like in here I have my, can't really see, but it's like, this is just not a good place for this notebook because it's being bent and stuff, and it's like, this is my calligraphy stuff that I do. For those of you who don't know, I have an Instagram account, AlyssXO doodles, where I put calligraphy in my doodling and stuff, because I do like things more than slime. So if you guys want to check that out as well, feel free to. I will post some videos doing hauls and stuff like that on here. And I just need to, because I sell these, I need to just organize it. And sorry for the really bad lighting, guys. Oops. I just need to organize these buckets. They have beads and things in them. And down here, I need to make videos of stuff and just get rid of stuff that I don't use anymore. Over here, I have a bunch of clays that I want to use up. And I just need to organize this mess. A bunch of empty blues. Those measuring cups have a place somewhere that they need to go, but they're just sitting there because I use them for something and then never put them away. I don't even know what those papers are. I think it was from a school project. Like, so messy right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. Guys, look at this. I just throw a bunch of old slimes in here. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I need to get rid of that, or make a video poking it or something. I don't really know. I have to figure out what I'm doing. And then I need to organize this. This is all my polymer clay stuff. And then random pens. And I just need to organize stuff. Yeah, mess. Really messy. I need to organize it. And then I have these little drawers that I can put stuff in that I really need to use. And that doesn't really match my room anymore, so I need to put those seashells somewhere else. I want to use up those, that wet foam, the floral foam. I want to use that up and get rid of it. Why is this even here by my desk? Why? Why? Random sweatpants and clothes that I need to put away. And then there's random glue that's just here. What the heck? I don't know what I'm doing. I have a bunch of random notebooks, a pencil case, more clothes. I have this bag of Bath and Body Works stuff that I got on sale. It's all fun supplies, lotion, foaming hand soap. That needs to go away. I'm totally out of space up here, so I need to figure out where to put them. And sorry for that background noise there. That is just the garage. That is a tapestry I need to put up. Oh, dirty clothes. Package I need to open. Random nail stuff I need to put away. Empty glue bottle. I don't. What is even down there? I guess this is a part of my slime room too, but I need to put away all my makeup and stuff. It's just lying around. I need to find a better place for that. That was some backgrounds and plexiglass that I sometimes use. It's just a mess down here with all my curling, straightening, whatever things. Messy. My Christmas presents that need to find a home somewhere. I need to make my bed, clearly. Very messy. Yeah. My backpack that I threw there from when school finished, and then I need to empty that and just figure out what I need to do. Oh my gosh, my bedside table. Why do I have a jar of salad? Why? And it's just like a mess, and then there's stuff everywhere. Random quote from my Instagram account that XO doodles. Notebooks that I never use. My camera, my what's it called? Thing camera. I forget the name. Oh my gosh. Christmas presents that I need to put away. Boards that I really just need to figure out a better organization system for. I need to film my Craftmas where I'm opening all these presents that my mom got me. They're all stationery supplies. I need to film that. So all of the stuff is just sitting here, so I need to film that. I need to clean up all these empty containers. You guys, I was filming and, you know, I was filming like 2 days ago or something, and I still haven't put these away. You guys see all the pretty finished slime, but this is the mess that is my slime room after I film. The little tripod that I use behind the scenes. I need to film the slime for a collab or a thing that I'm doing. That is an old dried slime that I left in there. This one has like a plastic wrap, so it's good, but I have a gift over there that I need to put away. Random baby wipes that have a home somewhere that I just didn't put it back because I am a mess. I am now realizing how much I have to clean, guys. This is going to be a very long day. Excuse me, of cleaning. Now cue the montage of music and me cleaning and hopefully getting a lot of stuff done. Hopefully I cannot procrastinate and do stuff. Woohoo! Don't forget to stay hydrated, guys. That's one of my New Year's resolutions. And now for the after. I actually took a break and I did some other things, and then I came back to cleaning my room. So I've been cleaning probably for an hour and a half maybe. It took me to get this far, but it takes a lot of time, more time than I thought. So I didn't get done as much as I wanted to, but I did make some pretty big changes. So let me just show you the after of my room, I guess. So unfortunately, I did not have the time to get to these, but if you want another vlog, I can, or when I do actually get to them, I'll definitely vlog it and show you guys. I did not get to down here. I threw my backpack over here. I went through it a little bit, but I don't really have time right now. So yeah, still have that bag. Yikes. Over here, not much better. I did try to clean this cubby a little bit, but it is okay. And I did find a whole stash of dirty containers in the washroom that I have to clean. So I did some of those as well. So, but I'm not going to show you because you didn't see the before anyways, and it's far away. So I organized all of this and added more of the lotion and the foaming hand soap that I just bought. I attempted to organize my desk a little bit. I don't really know if or my makeup desk, I guess. These are my new brushes that I just got for Christmas. I don't know why I decided to organize it like that, but decided why not. They're from Sephora. And the biggest change to my room is that I put up this tapestry. I really love it. I forget where it's from, either Society 6 or Redbubble. I'm not sure where I got it from, but they had a Black Friday sale / Cyber Monday, and I had to grab it because the tapestry, it was such a good deal. So yeah, it's really pretty. I just really love it, you know, like Wanderlust and all that. I really want to travel in 2018 and, you know, I just thought it was really pretty. And I have this new little white throw from Indigo, because I love Indigo. If you haven't seen my last haul, everything that I got in there was basically from Indigo. So yeah, and then that little pillow with a quote from one of my favorite books. And yeah, I think I want a gray throw to map to this better, because I don't really like the off-white look, but we'll see. I also have this throw over here, but I decided to switch it up. And I threw all of this over here. It is a mess. I'm not gonna get into it. I didn't have time to clean it, and this was just the easiest thing right now. But I will definitely get back to this corner. My bedside table is marginally better, not much. I've kind of given up on it. I will definitely have to come back and revisit this as well. Something I did get cleaned though was my desk. All it has left on it is this slime that I have to film. And yeah, I have these cards that I'm going to write right now. I need to write these out. I just have my computer on this chair right now, hanging out here, having fun. I did not clean up the wires over there. Oops. All of this did not get changed. Didn't have time to get to it today, but next time. I moved all of my staff. Well, can you guys see all that garbage in there? Yes, I got rid of so much like random things that I don't need. I moved all my staff flow and my laundry detergent down here, and I have 2 containers of dead slimes now. That was basically everything that I got to today. I definitely want to do a part 2 of this where I finish up cleaning everything. Hopefully I will be able to finish it all up, but that was everything I had for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.